Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. I'm thrilled to introduce to the Natural Language Query Explorer, a tool designed to revolutionize how we interact with the complex datasets. In today's data-driven world, insights are the key to unlocking innovation and growth. However, for many, accessing these insights feel like navigating a maze complex SQL queries act as a significant barriers for a non-technical user. This is where the Natural Language Query Explorer steps in. It transforms the natural language queries into precise SQL commands using advanced AI and cloud-based tools, making data accessible to everyone. Let's dive in and explore how this tool simplifies querying and empowers the users. Let us take a look at a high-level workflow of a natural language query explorer. Imagine your database as a vast, uncharted territory filling with valuable insights. The system provides two essential tools to navigate this landscape: the embeddings, which serve as a detailed map, and AI models, which act as a compass. The flowchart here visually represents the process. It begins with the user entering the natural query in a natural language, such as what is the energy consumption for the month January 2024. No SQL knowledge is needed at this stage. The system processes the inputs using natural language processing, breaking it down into key components like entities, condition, and required data fields. And using this information, the system creates embeddings to understand the context of the query, and these embeddings act as a map pinpointing the most relevant tables and columns in the dataset. Coming to the embeddings guide, the system in performing a semantic search to connect your queries and accurately to the database schema, and the AI emerges as a SQL query, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the user's intent, and BigQuery executes this SQL to fetch the results. Finally, the results are presented in a user-friendly format such as a table, and this process ensures faster insights and democrates data access and making queries simple, intuitive, and effective for everyone. And let me introduce the heart of the system, the data dictionary. Think of a data dictionary as a system's librarian. It catalogs all tables, columns, and their relationships within your database, providing the AI with the essential context needed to generate precise SQL queries. A well-structured data dictionary is crucial to the success of the Natural Language Query Explorer. It ensures that even the most complex queries can be accurately mapped to the right data element. Here is an example of how a data dictionary organizes the key database components. Here you can see the table name, table column, data types, and the description, and the table descriptions, and where the columns joins with the other table columns. Here for now we have filled with none null, but here we can use the joins table. And now let's dive deeper into text-to-SQL pipeline, the core of Natural Language Query Explorer. This pipeline seamlessly connects you to the AI database and ensuring efficient and precise data retrieval. The flowchart here explains this process in detail. First, the user inputs a natural language query, which initiates the pipeline. For example, what is the ambient temperature for the plant? And the system processes the query, identifying key terms, conditions, constraints through natural language processing. It generates the embeddings to interrupt the context and perform semantic search using these embeddings to locate the relevant data elements within the database. And coming to the next step, the data dictionary plays a crucial role ensuring the accurate mapping of terms from query to the appropriate database tables and columns. And the next is the AI generation an SQL query tailored to your request and also provides an explanation of its logic, making the process transparent. And the next step is the BigQuery executes the SQL command and retrieves the result effectively and even for a large scale datasets. And finally, the results are presented in a user-friendly manner such as tables. This pipeline highlights the seamless collaboration between the user um, input, AI processing, and the database execution, ensuring precision, speed, and transparency at every step. And let's talk about embeddings, the unsung heroes behind the system's intelligence. Embeddings act like GPS coordinates for your data. They convert your SQL query into mathematical language that AI can understand. This enables the AI to connect your words to the relevant parts of the database, even when the relationship isn't obvious. By leveraging the embeddings, the system ensures that your queries are interpreted correctly, retrieving the precise information you are looking for. Here we have mentioned the table description and the embeddings are mentioned in the table accordingly. And coming to the next slide, critical aspects of the system is crafting effective prompts for the AI. Prompts are the instructions that guides the AI behavior and the responses. Think of them as a conversational cues that ensures clarity and precision. We have invested significant effort in refining these prompts and experimenting with various approaches to maximize accuracy and relevance. This continuous process of prompt engineering is essential to creating user-friendly system that consistently delivers high-quality results. Now let us see the Natural Language Query Explorer in action. I will start by asking few natural language queries and you will watch as the system effortlessly translates them into SQL and retrieves insights from the database. For instance, I might ask what is the average ambient temperature for the plant 4135001, and you will see the SQL query being executed in real time, and the results presented a user-friendly format. This is the moment to witness how this tool bridges the gap between the user intent and actionable data. Seen, the SQL query is generated, executed, and the results are presented all in a real time. Now I would like to invite you to suggest your own queries in the comment box. And coming to the next step, thank you for all your time and attention today. I hope this presentation has shown how a natural language query can explorer can transform the way we interact with the data. If you have any questions, I would like to learn more how this tool can benefit your team. Please feel free to catch out. I would like to hear your thoughts and collaborate on unlocking the potential of your data. And I would like to thank my professor and Google AI. Thank you once again.